When your Tesla displays the electrical system backup power is unavailable warning, it's indicating a critical issue with your vehicle's 12-volt auxiliary battery system. Tesla vehicles use a dual battery architecture. The main high-voltage battery powers the drivetrain, while a separate 12-volt auxiliary battery powers critical safety systems. The 12-volt system powers essential safety features, including door handles and locks, hazard lights, airbag systems, emergency brake release, and the touchscreen during startup. The warning typically triggers when the 12-volt battery voltage drops below approximately 11.8 volts or shows signs of degradation that could compromise these critical safety systems. The most common cause is simply an aging 12-volt battery, accounting for 70 to 80% of all cases. Other causes include a failing DC-DC converter, wiring issues, software glitches, or excessive power drain. Ignoring this warning can lead to complete electrical system failure, potentially leaving you stranded. The backup power system is essential for accessing your vehicle and operating critical safety features. When the backup power warning appears, immediate action is required. Here's your step-by-step troubleshooting guide. First, don't ignore this warning. You have a critical 24 to 48-hour window to address the issue before potential system failure. Next, check your 12-volt battery voltage using a multimeter. The reading should be 12.4 volts or higher when the vehicle is parked. Schedule service immediately through the Tesla app or website. Mobile service is available for battery replacement and can come to your location. To prevent future issues, drive your Tesla at least once per week, park in moderate temperatures when possible, and keep your software updated. While DIY battery replacement is possible, professional service is recommended due to calibration requirements and safety considerations. Tesla is transitioning to lithium-ion 12-volt batteries in newer models. These offer longer lifespans of 5 to 8 years compared to 2 to 4 years for traditional lead-acid batteries. Remember, address the warning quickly, check your voltage, schedule professional service, and follow preventive measures to avoid future issues.